Today, we're going to talk about adding a filter to a card and then sharing that card with Excel or PowerPoint. My filtering options will be any of the options at the left-hand side of my screen. In this example, I am a sales manager, and I only want to see a few states. I only want to see Texas and Louisiana. I drag the state category up to the filters area and drop it in the field, and then click on Texas and Louisiana. I'm going to click Apply, and you can see on the card the data is now filtered to show only Texas and Louisiana. I'm going to save the card. And now you've gone into a card, you've edited it, added a filter, and saved it. From here, as the sales manager, I want to share the results out with my team. So I go to the Share icon on my card and I click on Export. A new pop-up screen gives me 5 different options: email, print, and export to Excel files, CSV file, or PowerPoint. If I click on Excel, you'll see at the bottom of the screen it's going to populate this data into an Excel file. And from there, I can save it to my desktop, put it in an email to my team, or whatever I want to do to export that data. So that is how easy it is to edit a card with a filter and then export that card using Excel, PowerPoint, or CSV.